So guys, so as I was saying, in trading there's a lot of things that you can do for you to be progressive while trading. There are a lot of things, and let me just tell you the truth, it's not easy as you think. Yeah, it's not easy as you think. You might be trading now, you might be trading while other people are losing. You might be gaining while other people are losing. Reason why people are losing and why people are gaining, that is what I want to explain on this video. Okay, so for if you are my followers or you are my subscribers, please, I want to give you I want to thank you so much for supporting me through your subscribing and sharing my videos. So I really appreciate you all, and I want you to guys to know that I love you guys, and that's why I keep on posting on this channel, because of you that subscribe to me. And for you that have not subscribed to me and have not followed me nor share my video, please, if you do that, if you like, subscribe and share this video, I believe that as you are watching my video, you are going to profit, you are going to learn, and also you are going to help me, and I appreciate as you are watching my video. Okay, now let's go to the topic of today. So why people lose, I'm not going to be writing anything, please be jotting it down, as I'm going to be making the point out for you to know, and I want you to take concentration and consider all these points. Okay, so the first thing, number one thing that makes someone to lose while trading is what? The first thing is impatient. The first one is being impatient, not being able to be patient for you, for the time, your time frame, to get to the point. Then you are you are in haste to take off the profit, or you are in haste to take off the loss that you are seeing, because you are seeing negative from what you put and you want to take off. That is number one thing. And the second one is the amount of money you are using to trade. It determines, yes, it determines. Why it determines is that if you are trading on spot trading, if you have low amount of money, your concern is going to be the amount of profit that you will be making, right? So you'll be asking yourself, how much am I going to be making? How much am I going to see while trading? So the answer to that is that before you start to trade, you need to check up yourself. Don't use the money that you have as total to trade. Split the money into 4 places or 5 places. That is the reason why some people just trade and they fall and they lose a lot of money, because they are sticking on one value of money, So there is a previous video. What this video that you are seeing right here is going to help you. I have split everything on this video, so I'm going to make a recap of it here, but not in full. Okay, so you can be able to watch it and learn it complete. So you shouldn't use the total amount of money that you have to start trading. No, it's not done that way. It's very, very high risk. No matter any amount of stop loss or take profit, this thing you use, your heart, inside your body alone, bordering alone of your trading alone cannot let you, the fear alone cannot let you wait when you see negative. So that is why I will encourage you, split the money into 4 places or 5 places. Okay, why you are using it to trade. And thirdly, if you fail to do this, you will be losing money. That is number two. The number 2 things that make people to lose their money. And thirdly, you don't have. Thirdly is lack of knowledge, lack of direction. Okay, so when you are trading, before you start trading, before you start using your real capital after graduating from demo account to real account, before you start trading real capital, you need a direction. Yes, it's really important. It's really important. You need to be connected with someone or with group or with team or with community that trade on that your direction, so that you can be able to be getting updates, like can be able to be getting news. You can use any news platform, but the most way to do this is getting a director, like a mentor, that will stand at your back, like at your doorstep, whenever you throw out or being contemplated about some the trade that you want to go or you are about to start. So you need a director. Okay, so it's very very important. Lack of director causes a lot of losses on people's trading today. Yes, because they want to make the money so fast, they don't need any direction. And most of the times, lack of knowledge, like you don't have access to purchase, you don't have money to purchase course, or you don't have anything like course studied before. You must, is a must. Yes, it's a must. I used to say it is a must for you, unless you want to use your real capital to learn, though you can, it's possible. But if you don't want to risk your real capital, now let me advise you. If you are watching me from anywhere, crypto is worldwide, and my video is not for one country or for one country. Yes, it's for the worldwide. So if you are intend to start trading or intend to start trading at any time, my advice to you is that you should learn, try to get a director, a mentor. I have I have a teaching tutorial that is on the mind on seller. So I'm going to be dropping the link on this description in case you want to learn, or you want me to be directing you on your steps, how you can be able to start trading on everything, or answer some kind of question that you need to be throwing. So use that link, then subscribe to that video and get it, watch it. Then from there you will know what I'm talking about, and I will be able to answer your questions. Or drop your comment. But you know, when you are dropping your comment, there is difference between direct contact, direct connection, from dropping a comment. Okay, and we answer your comment, whatever question you drop there, please put it below. I'm going to answer you and give you direction from there, but it's not going to be like you are directly connected to me. Okay, so and also there is a membership on this YouTube that you need to join. So if you join the membership, then we are connected together, because sometimes I come over there to discuss, or you'll be able to join my live for the membership live. Okay, so I will answer every question in detail, right? So that is the number 3 things that makes people to lose money. The fourth one is the platform that you are trading on. Is very very important. The platform which you are using to trade. So I won't be naming platforms, because I have been naming it on my previous video. But note that the platform you are trading on determines how successful you become. Because there are some platforms that you can be able to be successful in your trade, be making profit, but they cannot pay you the money that you made, and they cannot be able to credit you, but they will accept your income when you are depositing. So that is another thing. And again, the charging fees which you are using to trade per trade is what that can determine how much you can make from your profit. Imagine, for example, if you are trading with a profit level of 1% to 2%, and the platform is taking off 0.8 or 9% or even 1%, how much are you going to be making? So that is what you have to calculate before investing or considering any platform as your platform for trading. So but I will give you this bonus if you don't mind. So you can be able to trade on Bybit, Binance, Bitgate, and that, let me just leave it that way, because that is the most popular platform people are trading, and I myself, I am trading there also. So I'm going to leave my link below for you to use and register for each and every one of these platform. Remember, when you are using my referral code to register, you are helping me and I'm helping you, right? Because they are going to give you a bonus, a welcome bonus, which you are going to use after fulfilling all the tasks they will ask you to do. They are going to give you, credit you that bonus for you to use it and trade, and it's real and it's live bonus that you can trade and withdraw your profit from it. Imagine if they give you $5,000 for you as a bonus, you can use that 5,000 to start trading. Or if they give you $100 to start trading, you can use it to start trading, and every profit you made from there will be yours. Okay, so that is your own benefit, right? So that is the fourth thing that can make you gain or lose, that people, a lot of traders are facing today. Mark these four things that I have said, and if you maintain it, it's going to help you to generate more and more profit on your trades. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is AB Review channel, and let's grow this channel together so that I can be able, and feel free to come here every certain day to drop a very good, more encouraging and profiting strategies that you can be able to use and grow your trading. Okay, thank you, and I love you guys.